everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today is Tuesday, so that means it's the YouTubers Nail Art Weekly Stamping Collabs. This week the host is Guyleen, and the theme is Valentine's Day, because of course it is Valentine's Day on Thursday. So I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day mani. So I will have everybody's pictures at the very end of the video, and I will have their links to their videos in the description box below. And yeah, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you like what you see, and subscribe if you want to. Alright, so right now I am actually have some false nails on because my nails are a little bit short, so I don't know if I like them or not. They're like the Kiss full tips, so that's what I'm rocking right now. And then I have this Kathleen Dawn of Aurora on my polish. I just got this from the polish pickup, so that is my current base. And then I'm going to be using this Born Pretty Store Valentine's Day L008 stamping plate. And I'm going to use Born Pretty Store nail stamping polish. This is White Knight series and this is pure. And then I'm going to use Throne, and I might use this one, I'm not sure. This one I think is, I can't remember what this one's called, a silver one. So I'm going to use those, and yeah, we're going to go ahead and get into the video. and that's the finished nail design. I hope you guys like it, and happy Valentine's Day. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.